AI Side Hustle for Beginners 2026. If you've been searching for the best AI side hustle for beginners in 2026 and wondering how people are using artificial intelligence to make money online without advanced skills, expensive equipment, or complicated businesses, this video is exactly for you. Because right now, AI is completely changing how beginners start online side hustles. What used to require editing skills, websites, marketing teams, or expensive software can now be done dramatically faster using AI tools and automation systems. And honestly, this is creating one of the biggest online opportunities for beginners right now. People are using AI tools to create content, automate workflows, generate affiliate commissions, and build online income streams directly from their phones and laptops. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how an AI side hustle for beginners actually works, how people are combining AI tools with affiliate marketing and faceless content, and the exact business-in-a-box system helping beginners shortcut the learning curve in 2026. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'm also going to explain how automation works, how beginners are posting content consistently without burnout, and why this is one of the lowest barrier online opportunities available right now. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, faceless Reels library, automation systems, and training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now, because this channel is all about AI side hustles, affiliate marketing, faceless content, passive income strategies, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, what exactly is an AI side hustle for beginners? An AI side hustle is simply a way to use artificial intelligence tools to speed up or automate online income activities. And honestly, one of the easiest beginner-friendly AI side hustles right now combines AI-generated content, short-form social media, affiliate marketing, and automation tools. Why? Because social media attention is exploding. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. People spend hours scrolling every single day, and creators using AI tools can now create content dramatically faster than traditional creators. That means more content, more reach, more traffic, and more opportunities for affiliate commissions. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions beginners have is thinking they need advanced technical skills before they can start. That's not true anymore. AI tools are removing many of the barriers that used to stop beginners from making money online. Today, AI can help generate video ideas, viral hooks, captions, scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, and even faceless videos automatically. That's why AI side hustles are exploding in popularity right now. Now, the business model I'm talking about in this video revolves around affiliate marketing combined with AI-powered faceless content. The process is actually simple. You create or post content. People watch your videos. Some viewers click your affiliate links. Sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. And depending on the affiliate offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. Now, one of the biggest problems beginners face is content creation. Most people don't know what to post, how to edit, how to write hooks, or how to stay consistent. That's why most people quit too early. But inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting content almost immediately without creating videos from scratch. You can customize the content if you want, add captions, tweak hooks, include affiliate links, and start building traffic right away. And honestly, this is one of the biggest reasons AI side hustles are growing so fast in 2026. Now, if you want access to the same faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below, because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another huge feature inside the platform is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is extremely important because attention is everything online. If your content does not hook people in the first few seconds, they scroll away immediately. That's why creators spend so much time trying to come up with hooks and content ideas. But AI tools can now generate viral hooks, captions, scripts, video ideas, and content angles automatically. That means beginners can create content dramatically faster while staying consistent. And honestly, creators using AI tools right now have a huge advantage because they can produce more content without burning out. Now let's talk about why short-form content works so well. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are heavily pushing short-form video content. That means even small creators can get views. You do not need millions of followers. You do not need to become some influencer. Even brand new pages can start generating traffic if they post consistently. That's why AI-powered affiliate marketing is becoming one of the best AI side hustles for beginners in 2026. Now, another thing I really like about this business model is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without constantly showing their face or personal identity online. Faceless content solves that problem. You can create motivation videos, business edits, AI clips, finance content, quote videos, tutorials, or viral-style reels completely faceless. And some faceless pages are getting millions of views. Now, another huge advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One video can go on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. That means more exposure without creating extra work. More exposure means more opportunities for clicks and affiliate commissions. And because AI speeds up content creation, scaling becomes much easier. Now let's talk about workflow, because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few faceless reels, generate hooks or captions with AI, upload content across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. Now, another feature included inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up matters so much in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a huge amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand AI side hustles for beginners better, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people trying to make money online in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials about AI tools, affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, faceless content, and beginner-friendly online business ideas. Now, obviously, this is not some overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency, but compared to traditional online businesses, an AI side hustle combined with affiliate marketing and faceless content is one of the lowest barrier opportunities available in 2026. No inventory, no shipping, no websites, no coding, no customer support, just content plus affiliate links. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They keep researching, they keep watching videos, but they never actually post content consistently. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum every single day. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now, learn as you go, improve with consistency. Now, if you're serious about starting an AI side hustle for beginners and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know. because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, affiliate marketing strategies, faceless content methods, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.